Hey everybody, I'm Vaishnavi Charan from Durban in South Africa. I'm sure all of you are so excited for the upcoming event, which is scheduled to take place next week Friday, from next week Friday, the 24th of September, ending on Sunday, the 26th of September, starting at 6 o'clock South African time, ending at 8 o'clock South African time on all 3 days. It's a 3 day seminar entitled Spring Cleaning the Garden of the Heart, and Mindful Trinity has collaborated with His Holiness Bhakti Chaitanya Swami. Is an amazing philosopher and teacher of Vedic um, Vedic knowledge, and I'm so excited to collaborate with him to share this knowledge with all of you. If you haven't, okay, firstly, thank you to all of you that have already registered for the event. My heart is so overwhelmed with all the love and the support that I'm getting from all of you. And I have to thank you over and over again. In fact, I have to thank you in abundance. I'm so grateful to all of you. If it wasn't for you, I would not have been doing what I'm doing. So thank you so much for your love and support. Um, you know, from the time I've been doing this, I can tell you there's a saying that that love makes the world go around, and I actually do believe that because by me doing what I'm doing, I can definitely feel love in my heart for all of you, and I can feel the same love coming back to me. So, thank you so much. So, a little bit about the event. As I mentioned, the event is called Spring Cleaning the Garden of the Heart. Why did we choose this topic? I'm sure all you can relate to this. In South Africa at the moment, we're heading into spring. Some may say that we're already in spring, but I don't really believe that because the weather doesn't seem very springy to me. Well, there is actually signs of spring because flowers are blooming, beautiful rain out there. There's a lot of green, serene atmosphere. So spring is nearly here, I would say. So, according to Google, spring is actually starting from the 22nd of September. But nevertheless, during spring, a lot of the women in my life have been always spring cleaning their homes. They don't only do it in spring, but spring is a very good time to do that, whether they're actually getting rid of contents in their home that they no longer use, they no longer need, does not serve them any purpose in their lives anymore. So they get rid of it by selling it or giving it away. So just like that, as we transition in life, as we grow through life, we experience a lot of emotions. A lot of the emotions are actually negative, and a lot of the emotions weighs us down. So the only advice we can give ourselves is to move forward. But how do we move forward with all of this? There's all of this baggage that actually is weighing us down. We need the tools to help us to transition through life. And that is where His Holiness Bhakti Chaitanya Swami comes in. He's got a wealth of knowledge and he's going to be sharing these tools with all of us. I am so delighted that he agreed to be a part of this, and I'm so excited to learn from him and also invite him on this platform so you guys can also learn from him. So thank you so much for His Holiness for being a part of this. And I'm gonna give you some of the topics that we're going to be discussing. I also put workbooks together for all of the attendees. The workbooks are only for the attendees, and if the attendees cannot attend a certain day, say for instance on a Friday you may be working and you cannot make it at that time, that's perfectly fine. There will be the recording of that day, a recording of the video, of course, will be available on YouTube. So it'll be privatized for those attendees. So please do send me your email address so I can actually add you to the list, and please do register so you don't miss this opportunity. So the workbook currently is about 32 pages and it may grow because His Holiness is adding more stuff as we go along. So I'm hoping the workbook is ready before Friday. Yeah, hopefully by tomorrow, so I can actually send it to you. But just be patient with me. Please be patient with me. I actually beg you for that. I wasn't well all along. I actually had COVID recently, and we just got out of COVID, so it's been a journey. So anyway, the topics that we're going to be discussing: internal stock take. There's going to be questionnaires to help you to unpack certain things in order for you to see a difference and feel a difference. It's all about feeling. We're going to be speaking about cleanliness. I've got affirmations and quotes from a lot of philosophers, well-renowned philosophers, in fact. Will be speaking about cleansing the heart, renewing the mind, letting go, creating new habits, transitioning through forgiveness, new beginnings, and like I mentioned, there's lots of affirmations in this book as well. So again, I'm very excited to actually host such an event. It's my very first international event on a virtual platform, and I'm very, very grateful to all of you for supporting me in this venture. And if you need any further information on the event, please send me an email on info@mindfultrinity.co.za, or you can send me a DM on any of the online platforms that we are connected on. So looking forward to this, and I will see you on Friday. I hope I do. Have an awesome day further. Lots of love and positive vibrations from my heart to yours. Bye bye.